2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, compass, security system, heated steering wheel, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.